Hey guys, it is Tuesday. I'm feeling pretty good. I got my first payout, which I'll be showing a couple screenshots here. Here I was able to withdraw about 477 because the profit split took about 119. As you see here, it is currently April 8th, which is Tuesday right now. And you can see that 477.60, which is from the withdrawal from the take profit here. Legit payout. And that was a withdrawal request from yesterday. I made 600 today, as you see here. I'm not going to trade anymore. I can request that 600 by midnight. Bam, that's about almost $1,000 in 2 days of withdrawals. As you can see on my breakout cycle here, we got lots of opportunities throughout today. Even though it's still very volatile after all the news, these indicators will still get you good entries as long as you wait for these entries. Here we're looking at pre-market. Sometimes I like to trade the pre-market. We got some massive moves here. 300 points there. Nice 100 point scalp on the downside. And then another 300 points here. So just waiting for everything to align together. You got your chart overlay, your VWAP, your trend flow, candle color flip. Bam. Beautiful scalps. You probably would have got stopped out here, but you could have re-entered right here. Recover easily 500 points. And then for our breakout cycle, breakout, breakout, massive breakout. Look at that. For alerts, you are able to set alert for every indicator you see on my chart. All right, now let's look at the higher time frame analysis. So I have my levels here with these horizontal lines. On my 5-minute, I have my 15-minute here and my 30-minute. So I like to have the Asia session and the London session where we have the high and low for both. And I like to wait for when the high or the low gets taken out. We had a pullback and then a break of structure here, and then bam, nice movement on the upside. And then it decided to reverse until it broke the low and nice downside. It also broke the low of the Asia session as well. There's like massive moves here. I know some people like to do opening range breakout, so you do the 15-minute opening range breakout. It broke out on the upside and then it reversed. It broke out on the downside, retested, and then continued to fully break out. On your 30-minute, it touched some levels and it bounced off this temporarily, and then it continued to fully rip through, and then now it's consolidating. There's many ways to get confirmations: looking at your higher time frames, having your breakout cycle, having your chart overlay here, and then using your confirmation indicators like ignite and power. You got your VWAP, your trend flow, candle color flip, chart overlay. Dots start to form around here and here. So you could have entered here or waited until it fully candle flipped. Still strong confirmation here. Nice ride on the downside. We got a big candle here, which is a little risky because it can pull back. But there was confirmation where your ignite and your power was letting you know that it's trending this direction. And this is where you can avoid false signals. Even though there was a trend flow alert here, there is no ignite and there's barely any power. After some chop, your ignite lets you know that it is trending on the upside. And your power is also letting you know that the bulls are taking control. Would have been a nice 150 point move. These indicators try to keep you as safe as possible when trading on days like these. If you want good, consistent setups like I've shown here, and if you want to know how to get access to these indicators, check out the description and the pinned comment to where I made a video on how you can get access to these exact indicators. You will love what comes with these indicators.